Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be unboxing an item that I just recently bought out of impulse buying. So time check today, it's already 1:13 a.m. here at Pacific time in Vancouver. So it's been almost 2 months since I am off work. I wasn't as productive as I thought I would, and I have gained some weight over the weeks or months because I have just been trying new recipes and all. Sorry about the pillows back. Anyway, so without further ado, I am going to show you. This is the new Airpods from Apple. So I have been deciding of purchasing one of these because I feel like it's really convenient compared to the old one with the wires on it. Because sometimes when I talk to the on the phone and the phone is like too far away from me, it's really hard. Or if I want to play music or listen to music while I'm doing something like baking or when I'm cleaning the house, it doesn't work. So finally, my friend was able to convince me instead of the new AirPods Pro because I don't want how the ears has that small rubber thing. I know it's good for noise cancellation and all, but I just don't like it. I just like a regular one without wires on it, so it's easier to use. Anyway, without further ado, I am going to cut through this and see what's inside. I'm gonna use a ruler. Oh my gosh! Once you open this, you cannot return it again. And this is me telling to myself, I spent hundreds of bucks for this, and I'm not ever gonna return it anymore. I've tried to ask my friends who has AirPods already, and they said it's pretty good. So I think that I wouldn't regret it. Okay, so I finally opened it. Comes with this very thin saran wrap kind of plastic for seal. I mean, everyone puts their stuff like this. Anyways, so this is it. I'm kind of excited. So let's try to focus the camera if I can. There, good. Now we're gonna open it and see. Make sure that we don't drop what's inside. Very tight. Oops, there we go. Okay, so it comes with a very hard box. And look at that. It's a pod. Okay, so as usual, it comes with an app with a manual. Designed in California. So I like to always look what's inside of this so that I know how to properly use it, which I kind of saw. There's no more in there. So it says Airpods. Oops. So everything is always doubled. There's some instructions here in English, and then at the back is always a French version. We also have 1-year warranty thing. And then we also have safety and handling features, or how to properly, or safely, I guess, use it. Okay. And this is it. The celebrity of the hour. It comes with this tin film. And there's, I don't know what else is inside. Ooh, it has the cords. So I got the non-wireless one, but the wired charging pod. Ooh, I like this. It's cute. Yeah. This is a very soft case. Okay, let us open. Oh my gosh, I love peeling this. It's so satisfying. Wait, can I just not peel it because it's so pretty? Okay, no. I got it. Ooh. That's the charging cord. It's like a red cross kind of shape. And we're going to take it out from the pockets. I can hear they're inside. Oops, there they are. Okay, there's that. So it looks like this. It's very tiny. I don't even know if it's going to focus. It's very tiny. It's all white. It has that small dent there. So you are able to open it just like that. And behind it, I don't know, it has the sensor, I believe. So when you open it, it lights up. Where's the camera? It lights up. There's a small, there, you can see it. It's lighting up. So it's wanting to, or it's looking for my Bluetooth, I guess. The only thing that I don't like about this, because I've already seen it on my friends, so I'm just gonna take out the one earphone. Ooh, it's a magnetic feature. Look at that. Look at this baby right here. Perfect. Let's just twist it around. Good, and have a little bit of a twirl. That's the magnetic thing. It has a lot of stuff, I think, for speakers. And I'm just gonna place it in my ear. Oh my gosh, it's just so magical. It fits right in my ear. That's it. I'm in love. I'm in love. And I'm going to get the left side. So it says there. It should say there. Left or L. I'm gonna put the right in the other ear. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like an ear pisting. Excuse my chubby cheeks. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it, you guys. That. I'm all over right now. This is $200 something. Alright. Anyways, so like what I said, what I don't like about it is it's so, how do you say, so soft that it could take your fingerprints and look at what's inside. So what I think that I wouldn't like about it is that on the inside, it like the thing perfectly fits. But I am wondering how would I be able to clean the inside of this because it has like so many dents on it. Anyways, it's on my ear. Now let us try to connect it with my phone. So I have the iPhone 8. Let's try to open our Bluetooth. Go to the settings. Go to Bluetooth. Right now, sorry for my crack screen. Right now I have my Fitbit. I'm connected to it, but we are going to find the Airpods. I don't even know how I am going to find it. It's pairing. I think we have to disconnect something here. Okay. Just have to forget a couple of devices. Now, if I'm wearing my Fitbit and I'm wearing this, I think I don't know if there's going to be a clash. Okay, now my phone is not able to. Look at that, you guys. I had to put it back. Okay, so we're connecting. Okay, let's do Siri. Sure, let's talk to Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. It's asking you what you're going to say. So it says there that Siri is ready. So we're going to continue. And it shows you the battery percentage of the Airpods. So like one is more than the other. So this is done. Okay. It shows up again, just like that. And we are connected. It says Shira's Airpods. Then where did my verse go? Oh dang, I can't use both of my Fitbit. Just this. I really love my Fitbit, by the way. And my Airpods together. That's so sad. Okay, so now on your Airpods, it shows how do you want to customize it. Automatic ear detection. It's automatic switch Airpods. Left side means next track. And oh, they're both next track. Okay, so we'll just keep that for now, and let's try using these Airpods. So I am going to use them now. I'm gonna put this right one on my ear. Oh gosh, I heard a big bing. Okay, let's try some Spotify. Make sure that the volume is not high. Okay, let's try the Bible song. Okay, I'd say right now sound is the same as the regular wide ones, so it's not a big of a difference. But again, you're freer to move around. I feel like it has more bass. Pretty good. I'll just increase the music. I'm impressed. It's like the same thing. If I remove the other ear. Oh, it's gone. Oh, it pauses right away. Oh, if I remove both ears, they pause. What if I want next track? Oh, but they said that if you click it twice. Okay, I have to figure it out too. So that's it, guys. That's my Airpods review. Right now, I think that it's pretty good. Like it's the same thing as the regular wired ones. It's just the best quality is a little better. Otherwise, if you don't need to use it like often, or you're very comfortable with the wired ones, stay with it. But if you are like me who wants to move and listen to the music all the time, you just have to make sure because they're very tiny, so you might lose them if you're not very careful. But yeah, I haven't tried the call yet, so I don't know. We'll see later. But I'm guessing it's still gonna be the same. So, anyways, thank you for watching my vlog, and again, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you for my next vlog. Bye.